Hey guys, what's up? So I'm going to show you guys what you're going to be getting in your new welcome kit. If you want to sign up and start this business and work it as a business, or if you want to sign up and not only just use it for your personal use, maybe share your link with your family members, you can still earn money. So I'm going to show you all what is in our kit, what you can do, how you can do it. My link is available. If you guys want to sign up, you can sign up as low as $35 and be able to receive not only your business tools, but get our Epic 4D mascara. Our Epic 4D mascara is super good. It's an all-in-one thing. All you need to do is twist it up and it will make you have these longer, beautiful lashes. It is one of my favorites, but I cannot get over not using my Twisted Epic mascara. This is by far one of my favorite mascaras. So we're going to hop on in and you're going to see what you're going to get in your kit. Now, you do have choices on your kit. So obviously, you're always going to get your Epic 4D mascara. This Epic 4D mascara is super good. And this is what you will get. I cannot see. Okay. So we're not going to open that yet. I want to make sure I have backups. So this is our Epic 4D mascara. It is purple. It is beautiful. This has been available, or this has been here for a while. So this is what it will look like. So whenever you are applying up the mascara, you wiggle, wiggle, wiggle up. It is such a good mascara. This is for maybe date night mascara, and you want to have that beautiful thick mascara or eyelash. So you guys want to make sure that you get your hands on this. This will always be in either A, your $35 kit, or B, your $99 kit, which is right here. So the next thing is you get this inside, and it's covered with this beautiful purple paper. It's like tissue paper. All right. The next thing, you'll obviously get one of their little purple makeup bags. They're kind of small, but they are very cute. And if you just have, if you just need to go somewhere real quick and get your lip gloss, or put your lip gloss on or in your bag, you can do that. It does fit a couple of things in here. So you can put a little bit of makeup in this. So it is really nice as well. All right. And it also comes with a little chain. So you can have this act as a purse. Maybe if you're on the go, or hold on. If you're going out and you don't need anything too big, you can carry this with you. I don't know who all goes to a club at night, but I mean, this is what it will look like. So you're going to get this in your kit as well. A really good one. All right. The next thing. So there's a bunch of little goodies here. So it has Welcome to Younique. So it has a little brochure. It tells you we're so excited that you are here, or you're here. It just makes wanting to make sure that you're getting and staying connected with your social media. I do get a couple little samples here. These are for your eyes. This is our new eye cream, so of course you put it in under the eyes. These are very hydrating, very it doesn't have a thick consistency like other eye creams. So you get 2 of these. You get some rose water. Ooh. So I already have one. So let me show you all what exactly it looks like. Why is this not closing? Okay. There we go. So here is what the rose water looks like. This is how big you're going to get. So there are the deluxe one like this. Or you can get the large one, but it won't be in here. You'll just get this. This is a toner. This is a really nice mist as well. So yeah, and it's not too heavily on the roses or anything. So that's, or the rose scent. So if you guys have a problem with that, it's really not that bad. Also, if you get sunburned, that is the perfect product for you as well. Easily sunburned. Sometimes for me as well. So I got sunburned over the summer not that long ago. It took a while, but I was still like using the product, and it wasn't as bad now. It lightened up the stuff. All right, so here is, let's get this. So these are our sheet masks. You get 4 in this. This is amazing, you guys. Like, I'm so excited. I love these masks. They're kind of nice. More of like, I kind of use them for whenever it's time to relax, but you get 4 of these things. They're very nourishing. It's like super good, but they're refreshing. Biocell loose mask. I cannot pronounce it. I'm sorry. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes, so it's really good to have that. I'm so excited. I love these masks. Super nice. So you get 4 in this as well. All right. My next product is, the Moodstruck Hottie Lip Plumper. This is by far one of my favorites. This is literally what it looks like. You guys seen it in my previous live. So I'm almost halfway out on this. I do have another backed up with me, but this is also really good as well. And it doesn't burn or anything like other lip plumpers. I had tried the Too Faced one, and oh my gosh, I couldn't even leave it on for 2 whole minutes. Did it hurt? All right. So you can choose between the brow product or an eyeliner. I chose in this welcome kit for the $99 kit our Younique Moodstruck Sculpt and Style Brow Pencil in the color brown. So it has like the little brush thing right here, and then the brow pencil. So I don't know if this is quite my shade. Oh, might be okay. So this is what it looks like. They're super pigmented. The brow sculpt is supposed to like it. I don't know what it does, but I will let you guys know the next time I use it. All right. So let's see. You get a Twisted Mascara. You can choose between the Twisted Mascara or the OG Epic Mascara. Now, I prefer the Twisted Mascara. I love it, and I love how my lashes are separated. I love how like my lashes don't feel weird. Like, I love it. The next thing is our liquid shadow. So I got the shade Reverent in the shade. Now, I don't get to pick the shades for the liquid shadows, but this is also available in our new bundle. So this is super nice shade as well. It is a very light shade. It's also very blendable as well. I know in the past people were trying to use it as a lip product. I don't know how well that worked out, but you know, it worked out, I guess. Oh, and then my last thing is the lip gloss. So I think I got the shade, I got the shade Luxe. They just reformulated these, I think, not that long ago, but this is what it looks like. I'm so excited to try this out too, just because, you know, I have been really wanting to try their new glosses as well. It has like a light, vanilla scent. It doesn't seem super sticky or anything, so that's good. Seems hydrating. I do like that as well. I like that a lot. All right, you guys. So that is literally it. I didn't even swatch this. I'm so sorry. I'm so bad. Oh my gosh. So you get literally their core products. This is what the shade looks like. Super nice. It seems very hydrating, I think, in my opinion. But if you guys want to sign up, you can sign up as low as $35, or you guys can sign up as $99 and get our entire kit, you guys. This kit is freaking amazing. I love it. Oh my gosh. My box is like, it ripped. It might have been me. But I don't know. I don't really care. But this box, oh my gosh, you guys. I think you guys would really enjoy it. Not only just to get the products, but you guys can sign up and start using this as a business. I think you guys would have so much fun. We have a wonderful group of ladies that is so excited to, like, how do I explain? Like, we're just, I don't know what it is, but we're so excited, you guys. Like, we're excited that we're starting this business. I am restarting this business because I was Younique before, and I moved to pharmacy, and then I just came back here because this was more like home. You guys, get this kit. You can help me, you can support me by either getting the kit and starting it as a business, or get the kit and earn some Y cash by becoming active. If you want to become active, all you would need to do is spend $250 and get some more Y cash. And hell, you can have people sign up under you, or they can become active. I mean, there's so many opportunities to get more money. Like, this is such a good place. A good place. They do phenomenal, like, how do I explain? They do phenomenal, like, they take money to, the sexually abused females, young adults, and I think this is a phenomenal company. Like, I'm excited. I cannot wait to continue to go on with this company. I want to get far with this company. My goal before this month ends is to become Coral. All I need is your guys' help, whether that is signing up and having people purchase from you, or signing up and becoming active yourself and continue to try more products, or like, there's so many things, you guys, so many things, and I'm so excited. And I'm excited to continue to show you all this and my journey, and like, just doing it and showing George that I am not a quitter. I want to continue to do this. And yeah, I'm really hopeful. I know that I can do it. I want to become a Coral status presenter, and I know I can reach it. All I need is your guys' help. So I have $500 to continue to reach my goal. So if you guys are willing to help me by either getting your own kit, or even purchasing our bundles, whatever you guys want to do, I just hope that I can get you guys to help me and help me reach this promotion. I know I can do it. I just know that I also need help as well. So I hope you all have a fantastic day. You guys will see me throughout the evening, and I hope to see y'all soon. I hope you all have a great rest of the weekend, and you guys will see me a lot this weekend, or this week. So I will talk to you all later, and have a good rest of the day. Bye, guys.